Okay, so this is a quick shed update. So what am I up to at the moment? Well, at the moment I'm using a 3D printer to print some hinges out, like this one here. And the two halves will go together to make a hinge. I've got to print another 7 of these out. No, 6. That's for another project. Also, I've built another workbench here. It's a bit deeper than the other ones, but there's still plenty of space. I may even possibly do another one along here. I haven't done those shelves underneath this one, so it means then I can store my generator and that underneath there. Also, at the moment, I'm wrapping these inverters up for Raymond Earl. I'm going to send these to him. He's building a new 24 volt solar set up at the moment, so I've got 2 of these I'm going to send to him. I've got one wrapped up really well in this EPP foam. I'll probably be sending these out on Thursday now, Raymond, okay? Yep, so that's about it at the moment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.